Are you moving to Nashville, Tennessee, but want to be in the suburbs away from the craziness of downtown? Today we are in Smyrna, just 30 minutes south of Nashville, looking at a beautiful Lennar development. This one's called Gwynne Farms, and you can get in early now, get some built-in equity. As the next phases are built, they're going to be more expensive. So a great time to get into new construction. There's also some crazy incentives that builders are offering right now. Lennar has the option of getting an interest rate less than 5%. So obviously you have to qualify for that, but that's one of the incentives they have right now. So just excellent time to get into new construction, avoid the multiple offer situations that will happen if the interest rates drop significantly. Beautiful development. A little bit about Smyrna. Smyrna is, like I said, 30 minutes south of Nashville. You have everything you need in this area, so you don't have to go into downtown Nashville if you don't need to. Obviously, if you work down there, there's going to be a little bit of traffic on 24 going into Nashville, but if you don't have to go there every single day, then it's a great location, great spot to check out. It's also in Rutherford County, so the Rutherford County school systems, check those out if that's something that's interesting to you. But it's also, what I like about this community is, if you're moving from out of state, you have a built-in community, and it's just a lot easier to meet your neighbors. This one has a swimming pool, so easy place to go make new friends, meet people. This one has a pickleball court. It's going to have some playground, so a lot of amenities, and it's only $75 a month HOA, which is pretty awesome. And I am Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. We're out here every single week looking for unique custom properties for people just like you. If you're upsizing, if you're relocating and you're looking for that community feel, looking for the safety of having some neighbors around you who keep an eye on each other, this is who we're working for. So if that fits you, fill out that questionnaire in the description. We'll get back with you. Can't wait to meet you. So a little bit about the home that we're looking at today. This is the second home in this development that we're videoing, and it's right beside the other one. The reason I'm doing that is because they both have the best views in this development, in my opinion. They're right on the pond. It's on the property. That pond is stocked with fish, so bring your fishing pole, bring your little kayak. I'm not sure if you can take your kayak in there actually, but bring it just in case. But the views from these two are beautiful. You have those views from the back porch, you have them from the walkout basement, and you have them from upstairs as well. That walkout basement, I will say, is 915 square feet of unfinished space. It's wired, electricity is already there. It's plumbed for an extra bathroom. You just have to go in and finish it. And I would highly recommend doing that if you're going to purchase this place, to get that extra value of your home and equity, and just having a walkout basement where you walk out to this beautiful view is definitely worth it. We did price some of this out, so you're looking at probably $30,000 on the cheap end, all the way up to $60,000 if you add the full bathroom and just go all out with the finishes. So something to keep in mind. If you have questions about that, obviously reach out. A little bit more about this specific house. So this one is the Mayflower. It is 4 beds, 3 baths, 2,476 square feet. It's listed at $589,990. This is actually a price reduction on this house. They're ready to sell these properties. They have more that they're building, so they're ready to unload these properties. Great time to buy new construction, like I said. Lennar has a great reputation here in town. They have 8 developments that they're building right now, so if you want any info on those other developments, reach out, let me know. But this will be a quick video because it's not finished yet, so we're just kind of giving you a sneak peek of what that looks like. But if you want to see the model home, be happy to get in there and take some videos of that for you. But just wanted you to see what they're building, what it looks like right now. And this one will be ready by the end of November, which we're in right now, so this one's ready to go when you're ready. If you like it, reach out. If you have questions, reach out. Can't wait to hear from you. Let's go check it out. All right, what did you think about that one? A quick video, I know, but hopefully it gives you a good idea of what this neighborhood looks like and what this house and the view look like. If you want more information, reach out. There are going to be several other homes in this development built. They have the price range in this development right now is in the 400s all the way up to 650. So obviously the next phase will be more than that, but there's a few homes ready in November and December of this year, and then the rest will be ready next year. So hope you enjoyed it. Can't wait to hear from you. And again, as much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping people find their next home right here in Middle Tennessee. So if you need our help, reach out to us. Can't wait to meet you, and I'll see you next time on the Nashville Life. Later.